My name's Wreck-It Ralph.
I'm gonna wreck it!
And I'm a bad guy.
I can fix it!
It's hard to love your job when no one else seems to like you for doing it.
You're just the bad guy who wrecks the building.
No, I'm not. But here's the thing. I don't want to be the bad guy anymore.
Ralph, we get it. But we can't change who we are.
Ralph has been doing the same job for 30 years, and he starts to see, like, the writing on the wall, like, this, my life is never gonna change. I'm always gonna be thought of as this bad guy.
Where's Ralph?
Oh, sorry, Cubert. It's me, Ralph.
Ralph's gone to hero's duty?
So he ventures out into the world of all the different games in the arcade and tries to find acceptance.
It's make your mama's proud time.
When did video games become so violent and scary?
Save me! Please, get me out of here!
So we've got the whole plethora of the entire history of video games in this one movie.
The worlds of the movie keep changing. Suddenly you're in a whole new universe.
What's your name?
Wreck-It Ralph.
What's that? Didn't hear you. Your breath is so bad it made my ears numb.
We have 4 very, very distinct worlds. We've got Fix-It Felix Jr., which is an 8-bit world. We've got Hero's Duty, a very modern Halo-esque video game world. Game Central Station world, the hub that connects the characters. And then we have Sugar Rush, set in a world that's made entirely out of candy.
Oh, no. This is that candy go-kart game over by the Whack-A-Mole.
So it certainly gave us an opportunity to find ways to differentiate each world in a unique way and make you feel like you're traveling to different worlds, but you're in one movie.
On top of that, what's happening in those 4 worlds is you have a multitude of characters and crowds. Just the thought of having to deal with 182 characters in one single movie was a very challenging concept.
As we were developing the characters, we thought who would be great to play them. So John was the immediate first person we thought of to be Wreck-It Ralph.
I'm gonna wreck it!
Sarah as Vanellope, we wanted someone who was kind of acerbic and quick.
I bet you really gotta watch where you step in a game called Hero's Duty.
And Jack, he's such a nice guy, and for Felix was just the perfect fit.
I'm okay.
The character was pretty much tailor-made for Jack, as with Jane, as Sergeant Calhoun, an action-adventure hero.
Fear is a 4-letter word, ladies.
They really inhabit the characters and live kind of inside their skin.
Why do I fix everything I touch?
We have some awesome music by Skrillex.
We went through the whole movie and talked about the emotion, the energy, and the attitude. That was what I went for with the music.
Owl City.
When I sat down to write When Can I See You Again, I had these vibes, these feelings in my own head as far as what I was able to pull away from seeing that rough draft.
And Henry Jackman.
If you have a really good story, half the time the story kind of asks you for what it wants.
I love this movie. This movie is for everyone.
It's such a super fun cast, and it's a world that we haven't really seen before.
This movie kind of fires on all cylinders. You're gonna laugh, you're gonna cry, and you're gonna have a really good time.